Ibotta pays you more per grocery trip when you actively select offers before shopping, while Fetch Rewards pays smaller but automatic rewards just by scanning any receipt. That difference is why Ibotta usually wins on payout size, and Fetch usually wins on simplicity. By the end of this, you'll know which app saves more money on groceries, which one is easier to use every week, and which one actually fits your shopping style without extra effort. Start with Ibotta because it's built for targeted savings. Ibotta works by letting you choose offers from specific brands and stores before or after you shop. Once you buy those exact items, you scan your receipt and get cash back. The key detail is that your earnings depend on whether you activate the right offers before checkout. If you forget, you don't get paid for those items. Fetch Rewards works differently. You don't pick offers at all. You just scan your grocery receipt, and the app automatically gives you points based on what's inside it. That makes it much easier because there's no planning step before shopping. Now compare how they actually perform in real life. Ibotta tends to pay more per shopping trip when you use it correctly. The reason is simple. It gives higher rewards for specific products and promotions, especially when stores are running bonuses or brand partnerships. The trade-off is that you need to remember to activate offers before or after buying. Fetch Rewards is more consistent but lower effort. You'll earn something from almost every grocery receipt, but the value per receipt is usually smaller because it isn't tied to specific high-value promotions. It's more like steady background savings instead of targeted deals. The biggest difference comes down to behavior. If you plan your grocery trips and don't mind selecting offers, Ibotta gives you higher savings potential. If you just want to scan receipts and forget about it, Fetch is easier and more automatic, even if the rewards are smaller. There's also a timing difference. Ibotta can feel stronger during big shopping trips where you match multiple offers at once. Fetch feels more balanced because every receipt adds something, even small convenience store or random grocery stops. To wrap it up, Ibotta is better for maximizing savings when you actively use offers, while Fetch Rewards is better for effortless, no planning cashback on everyday receipts. The next step is simple. Pick Ibotta if you want higher savings per trip, or Fetch if you want automatic rewards without thinking about deals. If you want more clear comparisons like this, like the video and subscribe for breakdowns that actually help you choose the right money apps.